From Africa, great white pelicans. From India, spot-billed pelicans. From Eastern Europe, we have Dalmatian pelicans, all 5 of them. Here they come. Come on, guys. Now back to Africa, birds with their long, sexy legs, the supermodels of the world. The ladies in pink, let's welcome our greater flamingo. And last but not least, the colorful macaws from South America, coming from up there and there. Well, there you have it, everyone, our grand finale of birds. A round of applause for them. Thank you. And with that, we have come to the end of the High Flyer show. In a very short moment, we're going to usher all these birds back home, and we're going to have a photography session with another group of flamingos happening right here on stage. So if you're interested, do stay on for that. For those who would like to bring back fond memories of the show, we have plush toys going at special rate only here at Pools Amphitheatre. Do visit our counters right up there. Last but not least, on behalf of our sponsor, the Singapore Press Holdings Foundation, do have a great day in the bird park, and please, before you leave, take a look around you. Bring your belongings with you. Thank you and bye-bye. Well, it looks like the squadron of pelicans are being ushered back home first. In the meantime, you're more than welcome to come down and take pictures of the birds while we usher them back home.